Once there lived a rich man. He was so rich that he would have lived a happy life. But his wealth disappeared as quickly as it came. He spent it lavishly on fancy cars, luxurious holidays, and extravagant parties. Soon, his pockets were empty, and his bank account was barren. With nothing left to his name, the man found himself wandering the streets with a heavy heart and an empty stomach. Gone were the days of opulence and grandeur. Now, he was just another face in the crowd, struggling to make ends meet. As he roamed the bustling city, he couldn't help but feel a pang of regret for squandering his fortune so recklessly. Yet, amidst his despair, a glimmer of hope emerged. Determined to turn his life around, he resolved to start anew, no matter how daunting the task seemed. He began by seeking employment, but with no skills or experience, finding a job proved to be a challenge. Rejection became his constant companion, but he refused to give up. Day after day, he pounded the pavement, submitting job applications and attending interviews with unwavering determination. Finally, his perseverance paid off when he landed a humble job as a janitor at a local office building. It wasn't much, but it was a start. With a grateful heart, he embraced his new role, throwing himself into his work with gusto. Despite his meager earnings, the man found solace in his newfound purpose. He took pride in his work, relishing the opportunity to contribute to society once more. Slowly but surely, he began to rebuild his life, one broomstroke at a time. Months turned into years, and the man's diligence did not go unnoticed. His dedication caught the eye of his employers, who rewarded him with promotions and pay raises. Before long, he found himself climbing the ranks, his empty pockets now filled with a sense of accomplishment and pride. In the end, the man realized that true wealth was not measured in material possessions, but in the strength of one's character and the resilience of the human spirit. And though he may have started with empty pockets, he emerged richer than ever before, armed with the invaluable treasures of hard work and perseverance.